Hi students, thank you for choosing Lambton College in Mississauga. In this video, I will take you through the registration and orientation process in just 6 easy steps. Step 1. Complete the pre-arrival orientation course. All the new international students are required to complete all 3 modules prior to registration at Lambton College. Each module will give you an overview about the Lambton College in Mississauga and what you will learn there. At the end of the modules, all the students are required to download their certificate of completion, or you can take a screenshot. Step 2. Complete registration. To complete registration, students are required to upload documents to the Queen's database. All the documents are to be uploaded at the service portal. To visit the service portal, you can just simply follow the link you have received in your email after completing all the modules, or you can just visit services.queenscollege.ca/register. On the login page, your username will be your student ID, that is without C0, which will be last 6 digits of your student ID. For example, my student ID is C01234556. In that case, my username will be 123456, which is except C0. And your password will be your passport number. After logging in successfully, students are required to go through the 4 steps, which is filling in their basic informations, reading the orientation policies, check-in, and finally uploading their documents. First document will be your passport, which will be the first and last page of the passport. Second will be LOA, which is letter of acceptance. Third will be fee receipt. And fourth will be pre-arrival certificate screenshot, which you have received when you completed the modules. All the samples have been provided at the services portal website. Also, students need to upload their IRCC study permit application documents. That will be any one of the following. First one, study permit application submission confirmation screenshot. Second, approval in principle, that is stage 1 confirmation letter. Third, study permit approval letter. Fourth, study permit. It will be given to you when you are only in Canada. Fifth, TRV stamp. It will be your visa on the passport. All the samples have been provided at the services portal website to avoid any confusions. Step 3. Request My Lambton login. All the students will be provided with a link to their personal email address for the final step of the registration process. That is, you need to check in there. After checking in successfully, all the students will need to enter their student ID, their passport number, payment code, and Lambton College fee receipt number. Once all this is completed, students will receive 2 separate emails from Lambton College for their My Lambton username and password. Step 4. Complete the academic success modules. All the students are required to complete their academic success modules within the given time frame. For this step, you will receive a separate video link where all the steps is explained, how you get in your Moodle, how to log in, and how to access the academic success modules and how to complete it. Just refer to that video. Step 5. Timetable confirmation. After completing all the 4 steps of their registration process, students will receive all the details for their timetable confirmation from the academic department once we get closer to the date. Step 6. Attend virtual orientation sessions. After all the steps, there will be a live orientation sessions for all the new students, which will include all the important information, that is, information related to student services, academic excellence and integrity, student portals, immigration, mental health and wellness, Canadian workplace and culture, and volunteering. Once all the steps are completed, congratulations, you are now a part of Lambton family.